Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your PayPal username. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is to connect to your PayPal account. And here in my case, I'm using the PayPal website or the web application. And after that you logged in successfully, you will be needing just to go to the settings. And from the settings, we will be able to find all our information or all the account information. And for the mobile app, you will be simply needing to access to your account's profile by clicking on the profile picture. Either it will be on the corner on the top or on the corner on the bottom. So basically now, let's just go to the settings by clicking on this gear icon. And from here, we will find or we can see this accounts tab. And from here, you can find your profile. And the profile is simply your username. So basically, you can find your emails, phone numbers, etc. And from here, you can simply go to change name. By clicking on change name, you can find these names here, or you can simply find this username or the PayPal profile name. So we can click on manage. And here, basically, this is how other people can see your name. So you can simply change it by going to your username and you can uh, see it as follow. And basically you can start seeing all this other information. So simply you can find your username from here under your real name. And basically that's my username in my case. And from here you can click also about you, locations, etc. And whenever you want to change them, of course you can simply go to the support so you can change your username, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.